Hey everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and I created a little movement in one of my Clickfunnels pages, and I just wanted to show that to you and share it with anyone who is interested in maybe doing the same thing. Okay, so I'm in my Clickfunnels account, and this is the funnel that I'm talking about. And if I go to preview, it opens up the funnel, and then as I start to scroll down, you see these four elements pop in, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Okay, so let's go back to the actual funnel. And first of all, I created a line with 4 sections in it. And I filled them in with these elements that I created in Canva. Okay, so then after I got them all imported, then I go to Settings and go to Advanced and Animation. And down here on the bottom, I have the type is on-page scroll. The style is left and the delay is 1. They're all very similar with one change. So the second one, again, go to Advanced, Animation, and it's going to be the same on scroll, left, only the delay here is going to be 500. Okay, now this one is going to be absolutely identical, advanced animation, except the delay. I'm increasing it by 500, so it's 1,000. And then again, this one is going to be the same, except it's going to be 1,500. So again, the type is on scroll, left, 1,500. And see what that looks like when you load the page. So I say on scroll, so nothing happens until I start to scroll, and then here those pop in. Anyway, I thought that was kind of cool, and I just thought I would share it with you. If anybody has any questions, just give me a shout and I'll help you out. Thanks. Bye.